Are bourbon groups worth joining? Can you get some unique picks? Well, I have 2 bottle picks from New Braunfels Bourbon located here in Texas. I will pop these bad boys open and give you my opinion. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. Now, in my immediate area, I don't have any bourbon or whiskey clubs. I do have a few friends that we like to get together, have like a theme night, try some bourbons together, and just sit down and have some fun.
We have fun. We just have fun.
But we are not big enough to do any barrel picks. I was online and discovered New Braunfels Bourbon. They're located about 5 hours north of me, which is not too bad for Texas. Over the course of knowing them, I have picked up these 2 bottles from them. Each of these is a barrel pick that the group selected, and both of these are very reasonable price. So is it worth looking for a whiskey group near you? Are there any benefits? Are you part of any whiskey groups? If so, let us know in the comments below. Let's talk a little bit about the New Braunfels Bourbon Group. They started in January 2021, and it's a social group based in New Braunfels. They're open to all the people in the area, and there's no fees to join. They do set up monthly free tastings with different brands, and they currently do about 3 to 4 barrel picks a year. I do want to give you a heads up though. Their next barrel pick is a hazmat version of this 16-year-old light whiskey. So if you're interested, you can find them on Instagram. They also have a Facebook page, but that requires an invite. I will leave a link below, so if you want, you can reach out to them through that Instagram link. I'm gonna pour myself a little bit of both of these, set them aside, let them breathe, and then we'll get into the bottles.
Come on, hurry, hurry.
This wax is really on here.
No, Kelly Clarkson.
There we go. And this one should be much easier to open. Let's set those to the side for a moment and let's get into the bottles. So this first one is rye whiskey brand. It is batch PR number 008. It's a light whiskey, aged 16 years, single barrel cask strength. There is no finish on it, and mash bill none stated. It is 67.1% ABV, which makes it 134.2 proof. The distillery is Phenomenal Spirits, and this was bottled for New Braunfels Bourbon. MSRP on this is about $100. Next is this Penelope Toasted. It is batch 23-1089. It is a straight bourbon toasted barrel strength. This one's aged 6 years, single barrel cask strength. It is finished char 2 toast heavy. Mash bill none stated. It is 59.5 ABV, which makes it 119 proof. Bottled by Penelope Bourbon, MSRP $70. I think it's funny that I'm actually doing these 2 today because I just did a review on this Penelope American Light Whiskey 15 years. And so I kind of have a light whiskey here and a Penelope here. So it's kind of like the combination of the 2. When that video comes out, I'll make sure to post it right here. Now, I'm getting closer and closer to 1,000 subs. And when I do, I'll be having a fun giveaway. If you haven't heard, I'll be giving away 1, 2, 3 bottles of E.H. Taylor.
No way.
That is correct. All 3 of these bottles go to 1 winner, so make sure you sub so you have a chance to win. Okay, time for the fun part. Let's start tasting these bad boys. So I think I'm gonna start out with the light whiskey. I feel if I start out with the toasted, it might coat my tongue, and then it'll make it harder for me to taste this one. These are not I'm not gonna do an official review. I'm not rating each one. I'm just trying to taste these and see how much I enjoy them. I think it's neat that when you have, a group that's able to go and taste, make some picks, and then offer it to you at a reasonable price too. So let's get into it. Give it a little SJ here. It's got a little bit of legs, but when I did the review on the light whiskey, I realized it didn't have very many legs either.
With the little legs.
It sticks decently to the glass. So very light in color. Let's go in for that first taste. Ooh. This does have a lot of good flavor in it. Wow, lots of flavor, nice and sweet. Like there's like a honeyness to it, like almost like you bit into not the honey wax, where you don't have all the honey, but that flavor that's left on that wax is pretty interesting.
Honeycomb pig, yeah.
There is a lot of caramel as well, and lots of flavor from the front to the back. I kind of want to actually now, I had originally thought about pairing this up against the Penelope Light, but I thought, no, I'm gonna do them separate. But now that I've tasted this, I think I might actually do that. I might actually go back and do a blind with them and see if there's one I like better than the other. Very good, actually, a very good pick. Let me go to the next one. Let me kind of clear my palate a little bit. So let's take a look at this Penelope Toasted. And this one also has a little bit of legs on it. There they go. So they run a little quick, but nothing bad. Let's go ahead and smell this. It smells very nicely. Kind of char. Almost like a toasted marshmallow kind of smell to it. So
yogurt, marshmallows, maybe cotton candy.
Good start there. Let's go for that drink. Coats the middle and the back of my tongue. I didn't get too much on the front, but that was the first sip. Let's go in for another one real quick. I like it. For something that's actually 6 years, and what was the proof on this? 119. It does drink a little bit heavier than the 119. A little bit of a spicy burn to the front of it. But now on that second drink, that's what I got on the tip of the tongue, but that went away quickly. Then you get that caramel char kind of taste there. That's actually still, you know, sweet, like and goes to the back. Lots of vanilla in there too, and you do taste. It's almost like a hint of oakiness, but it's not really the oakiness. I think it's more the char. So overall, very good pick too. I don't know if I have another Penelope char that I can compare this to. I might have to go back and look. If not, I might have to pick one up to kind of do a comparison with that. I do like both these very much. And interesting, I actually, for my palate today, which can change day to day, we don't know, right? Tomorrow could be completely different.
Tomorrow is a new day.
I'm actually liking their light one a little bit better, but I think I'm just liking the sweetness of it right now. And so I'm excited, as I mentioned, they're doing a hazmat version of this. And so I've already ordered mine, and we don't know when it's coming in yet, but I'm gonna love to taste that one and maybe even put that one up against this one, or maybe I'll wait for that one to come in and put it up against this one, the Penelope and the hazmat all at the same time. We'll go from there. There's just so many options, but good options, I hope. Even though this was not a review, but more of like taste for fun, see how much I like, and how are they doing this in their barrel picks. I will be giving out samples. Why? Because sharing is caring, and of course,
This is the way.
to have a chance to win some of these samples, first of all, you have to hit that like button. So just go over there and click on it and hit that like button for me, please. It does really help. And also in the comments below, mention New Braunfels Bourbon and let us know, are you a part of any whiskey community? If you are, let us know how you enjoy them. Let us know the benefits. Let us know what you think of it, how your picks are. Also, as a huge favor, please share this video. YouTube seems to love that, so if you share my video, it gets out to more people, and hopefully I can get to those 1,000 subs sooner, and that way we can give away all those EH Taylors. I'll randomly pick the 5 winners 1 week from today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and hopefully you get notified that you're that lucky winner. Thanks again for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. Till our next journey, my friends, cheers.
That's a blooper of sorts, right?
Oh my goodness. There we go.